Hi everybody and welcome back. I am Frank Yeager, and hopefully by this point you have pretty well decided whether you are going to stay in the home that you're in and renovate or whether you're going to move. Sometimes that decision is super easy. You're just like, there's no way it's happening here. I am way over this place and we're moving. Sometimes this has been a house that's been in my family for generations, and there's no way we can move. Now, that emotional attachment sometimes can cloud things. Realize that, there's always the potential to give that house to someone else who is going to love it as much as you always have, because the house really doesn't work for what you need from a dream home. But when the chips are down, you're absolutely 100% against moving, then now it's time to go ahead and look at renovating. And what is that going to cost? So hopefully by this point, you're going to have been reaching out to contractors, start putting numbers to the projects, and have a very solid idea of what you're going to need to do in order to make this at least closer to your dream home, if not exactly what you want out of a home. Then tomorrow, we're going to marry that up with tomorrow's lesson regarding moving, because no matter what, you're going to want to look at comps and those kinds of things. So we'll talk about that tomorrow. Today, we want to take that information. We want to create a bid package. We want to shop that out to contractors, and we want to start getting solid numbers for all of the projects that are going to be involved, so that now we have everything we need so that we can know, okay, with the value of the house, what houses are selling for in our area, and the cost of renovations. Does this really truly make sense? Where do we need to go from here? So once you have all the numbers, we're going to hop over and look at comps and how to go about doing that tomorrow, and I will see you there.